เลยครับ
ได้มาชอบโลกประจันทันเลยเหรอ
ชอบ
ต่อไปนี้นี่เราต้อง Six Schedule Implementation Committee เป็นผู้ทอดPherangkeต้องมาระดับออฟฟิศลงใส่ให้ลงผับผลลบแล้วสิ่งนั้นต้องกระดูกเอาไว้Pherangke doan tum tamiระดับกี่พาเต็งเป็นนั่นเลยต้อง RD กี่ปีเป็นระดับกี่แรงปนปดนี่เลยต้อง Six Schedule Implementation Committee เป็นนั่นเลยต้องพันการดอมไปจุดเล็กลงแล้วสิปีนี้จะเสม็ดเก็บเนี่ยเก็บแล้วเป็นการสุรินีระincorrectly 10/8/2024 August acik lu ini yani kang sama porang jasemet itum ke phanan ko kalam theke puthot paresi nilitum trokarni nilitum Pherangke Amei dolo la pen haladang nilitum program la pu speaker do mena sabsu apor kai jason un epen jok nilitum phapon ole delo la se pinia bangke la so puthak nilitum puthot piklar pontupo la silalo non nilitum jasemet Penal Discussion on Six Schedule and Autonomous State and 125th Amendment Bill. Laso puthak sinilitum cethan cimum ponji. Lasi adima bangke lahen lo Farmer Growth Center la State Bank ladak State Bank ben part cholote la netum theklongji hadak sa venue iltom pithiklo la pen apor bangke por phai cap adap de 10 AM pen ani kang sam 5 PM man sinilitum hot pon lo lasiladak nilitum partiality kavidya je phan plak wong kavidya je phan political party atum phan anna chopha pon lo inut alang tum resource person na hisap nang chitoy jun si phan sinilitum lo pili pon lo nona ni kang sam sinilitum kiron dam lo kipidam bangke petang pon lo lapen NCHs pen tami nilitum chopha pon lo di masa songjak pophan adak mantai minut phapon lo lapen high court advocate doji alangli phandame lo pele ad lo alangli danang chitong muji lo so lasi ilitum non karbi anglong arat atum chini nangji athe non la 125th labangso constitution kang chap thuwoi along ilitum autonomous council cap do north east long la cap atum phanta labangso a bill jong se akehen no a clause amokha article amokha pilut pon delo plotang te ilitum pan kana hok thitangji lasi laso 125th constitution amendment along kopi pima akeme kopi pima akehno black and white akig lapen akilok kipang thek pe meje phansi nilitum labang so krege thom bangke nilitum la penal discussion bangke phapam lo lapen ladak nilitum puthot kipu gantung ba kachuning di gantung mangkala lo ladak student organization do karbyang longar lo lapen social organization to atum da do latuma phan tame alang tum phan ladak through media hoi pen Pherangke hoi pen tame nilitum alang tum phan tame phapam lo krege thomani na chitong dun dek je phan athe labangso a discussion mate labangso 125th amendment bill long mangkala lo ilitum ratcharia song bangke pinido pinabawe lapen nang chilar bomji lake komat se kemia bang phuma la se chari pon bomja posi non bang tum gachini nai bang lan lo lake khelam bina ka posi lake komanya party phan ke rore de ji polam abelo aron bina ka pot loke itip jong si ake no alok ki pe pas lo polotang te lake mo ki bang jilanga obe panta lake isi here meme mate ki vira na thu si tum hanang japon rombo la sila bangso amendment bila putha ka bangke chini pe mesi keheno a clause a section a paragraph ana bangke rectify nangji ba ilitum haladak pe chok thunangji kali pulotang te itum pe jok long le de nai lahan lo nilitum la dapen nilitum Six Schedule Implementation Committee pen Pherangke to ban ki phapon ke 125th constitution amendment aphuthak bangka lahan lo lake all India lo kai menje ke sedami ilitum ke state long le delang mati di la se district council andar situm ke doko long posi ladak itum district council ar lo kopipi mala Six Schedule pe senong ke chari bom la pot haladak ilitum aphanak ke no hormu doko posi halahai ki pachok ji abang ilitum claim pon nang ko la so puthak si la 125 balong si do ya to lambang ke ladak Six Schedule jong si emen lo plotang te mo autonomous state ke hangya phanda ilitum ajakong kavidya rason mande ji kasi lahai puthak sila 125 balong si do ya lo abi nong er make 6 schedule ta dak si lut ponlo 125 along si lut ponlo. So for example seat kipa bat kadu kawian dak si ko lalo lapen non racharia song aphan litum kot alopen kipale tang lahalo ASDC phanda nilitum pili ponlo lapen Kongres atum handa pili ponlo lapen CPML atum handa pili ponlo lapen non kipi district lage BJP tum handa tum pili ponlo nasi partiality abe denanji pu aphuthak sing tum racharia song tum han anda pili ponlo chupha ponlo lapen nilitum APHLC phanda pha ponlo ake hai sarjaya ka thar phanda me lu pili ponlo langli phanda me lalo lapen ang tan pe na bangela hello non amat NCHs pen doji inut doji somja pu lapen XMLA tum tanah citong lumji pusi puthot berta nang pithu XMLA oh lapen jakas tum hanta pilih ponlo lo alang tum hanta lo pilih ponlo lasila sorni bang pilih tum aki ka kilo kalambang chini pe minangji pusi lang tum hanta pilih ponlo lapen oke pran mesen pulo tang te na citong lumji pusi alang li kanta belam te taklang po dak isi nilitum loke lain-lain Nepali lapone delo setame through social media pen si puthot la hamphang asong lapen locharia song tum doan setame lapen rat karbiang long ara doan pantame nilitum through Pherangke pen nilitum kachuning report na chitong dutbek je phansi pachini pon heartfelt greetings to all the people of Karbiang Long and Hills. Well, the 6th schedule implementation is going to hold a panel discussion regarding autonomous state and 125th Constitution Amendment Bill on 13th of August. So we invited resource person from different organizations and political party, especially from Karbiang Long and NCS. And the venue is at Farmer Growth Center, Dipu itself, and then time will commence from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on 13th of August. So I, on behalf of 6th Schedule Implementation Committee, appeal to all the peoples of Karbiang Long and organizations as well as senior citizen should come forward and attend the said meeting, panel discussion on 13th of this month. We are going to discuss, we take the topic regarding 125th Constitution Amendment Bill and Autonomous State. Because 125th Constitution Amendment Bill is the life and death of all the tribes people living in the Northeast India. Because 6th schedule says that it is a mini constitution for all the tribals living in Northeast India. So, in this 125th Constitution Amendment Bill, there are certain clauses and certain paragraphs which are destroying the basic structure of the Constitution, which goes against the people of tribes living in the Northeast India. So, especially we focus on 125th Constitution Amendment Bill and Autonomous State and the consequences of this 125th Constitution Amendment Bill. What will be the result? What will be the effect if this 125th Constitution Amendment Bill is implemented? So we are trying to make our people conscious so that in the days to come or in the near future, our leaders should not violate or take granted about such illegal laws. So therefore, I appeal the people of Karbiang Long and the organizations of different student and social organization to be present on the 13th of this month.
Any reason to?
Because paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 of the 6th schedule says that conduct of election including preparation of electoral roll should be prepared or should be done by the council itself. And if now in this 125th constitution amendment bill is implemented, then definitely conduct of election including preparation of electoral roll, not only single election, but there are 3 elections, that is village council election, municipality election and council election will be done by the State Election Commission of Assam. And and the Assam Panchayati Raj Act 1994 clearly says that section 1 itself says that the Panchayat law shall extend to the whole of Assam except 6 scheduled area. So, with that regard, if the government of Assam as well as the government of India forcefully imposed such illegal laws upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, then definitely our people will face troubles, and maybe in the near future, if such negative law is imposed, then definitely our rights will be totally destroyed. So that is the thing. And another point is that Article 280, most of our leaders says that it talks about direct funding. But when you look at the constitution, when you open and look at the constitution, Article 80 doesn't mention direct funding. It talks about only finance commission. So the government of Assam, they are fooling our people. So we don't own Article 280. Article 275 is the best for autonomous council, and if we are able to implement autonomous state, then that is good. It will exist Article 275 still. So that is the merit point, and the demerit point is that seat will increase, but especially for tribes people, there is no any single word mentioned regarding the protection of the tribal. No any single word mentioned in that amendment. So that is the thing that we are facing. That means our people are facing.